can modern humans, with all their advanced technology, really rebuild one of the Egyptian pyramids today? If we look at the history of engineering, humanity has achieved things that once seemed impossible, from walking on the moon to constructing massive skyscrapers and digging tunnels beneath oceans to connect continents. But when it comes to the pyramids of Egypt, especially the Great Pyramid of Khufu, the story becomes entirely different. This incredible structure, standing about 147 meters tall and weighing nearly 6 million tons, is made up of more than 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing between 2 and 60 tons. What's even more astonishing is the precision. These stones are fitted so perfectly that not even a thin card can slip between them. Now imagine trying to recreate such a structure in the modern world. The first major challenge would be selecting the right land, ground stable enough to support such an enormous weight. Then comes building a foundation strong enough to hold it, requiring millions of tons of concrete and steel. Just preparing the land and laying the foundation could cost hundreds of millions of dollars. The next challenge is sourcing the stones. At a normal production rate, it could take decades to gather enough, unless hundreds of advanced cutting machines operate simultaneously, which would demand enormous energy and cost. Transportation is another massive hurdle. Moving millions of tons of stone over long distances would require thousands of trucks and precise logistics. But perhaps the most difficult stage is stacking the stones. Lifting blocks that can weigh up to 80 tons to heights exceeding 100 meters is incredibly complex and dangerous, even with modern cranes. And after all that, the final structure would still need its outer casing of polished white limestone, which once made the pyramid shine brilliantly under the sun. Such a project today could cost around $3 billion, not even including many additional expenses. Do you think ancient humans really accomplished this with basic tools? Or are there still hidden secrets behind these massive structures? Share your thoughts in the comments.